Theories of acid bases. First theory, Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius theory, acid definition. The substance produce hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Examples: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH. HCl plus H2O gives rise to H plus plus Cl minus in aqueous solutions. Arrhenius theory base definition. The substance produce hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. Example: NaOH, KOH, NH4OH. NaOH plus H2O gives rise to Na plus plus OH minus in aqueous. Limitations of Arrhenius theory. It's applicable only in aqueous medium. Could not explain the acidic behavior of carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Could not explain the basic behavior of NH3 like ammonia, Na2O. Fourth limitation, could not explain the acidic nature of salts like AlCl3. Fifth limitations, dry HCl not act as acid. So this is the information about Arrhenius theory. Now we are discussing about Bronsted-Lowry. Bronsted-Lowry acid definition. So according to Bronsted-Lowry acid, the substance is capable of donating one or more protons is called Bronsted-Lowry acid. HCl, HSO4 minus, H3PO4, CH3COOH. HCl plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus Cl minus. Bronsted-Lowry base definition. The substance has tendency to gain a proton or protons from donor. Examples: H2O, NH3, HSO4 minus, OH minus. Limitations of Bronsted-Lowry theory. First limitation, acid-base reactions in which no transfer of protons. Example: SO2 plus SO2 equilibrium SO minus SO2 plus SO3 minus 3. So here act as acid, here SO2 act as base, here SO plus 2 act as acid, SO3 minus 2 act as base. Here there is no protons, could not explain like that compounds. Second limitations, no protonic solvents. Example: COCl2, SO2, N2O4 could not explained. So this is the information about Bronsted-Lowry theory. Now we are discussing about Lewis theory. According to Lewis theory, acid definition, the substance accept an electron pair to form coordinative covalent bond with the donor. It is also called as electrophile. Example: BF3, SnCl4. Lewis acids are five types. First one is simple cations. Example Na plus, K plus, Ca plus 2. Second type acids. Central atom incomplete octet like boron trifluoride, aluminum trichloride, gallium trichloride. Around the boron atoms, 6 electrons are there. Incomplete the octet rule. Aluminum and gallium also. Third type of acids, central atom empty d orbitals are there. Silicon tetrafluoride, germanium tetrafluoride, titanium tetrafluoride, phosphorus trihalide, phosphorus pentafluoride. So here empty d orbitals are present. That's why it is a act as Lewis acid. Fourth type of Lewis acid, molecule having double bond between two dissimilar electronegativity, CO2, SO2, SO3, NO2, Cl2O4, P4O10. So these molecules different electronegativity and dissimilar molecules. That's why it is also act as Lewis acid. Elements sextet. Example sulfur and oxygen. Sulfur and oxygen belongs to 6th A group elements. That's why it is a sextet. Lewis base.